Hey YouTube, it's me, Jonah. Thanks for joining us in today's quick tutorial. So today my wife asked me if I could change the battery in our bathroom scale. So here we go, let's do it.
I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell.
And this is the StarFrit balance scale we use in our bathroom. And if you're new to my channel and found my video helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always get my latest video. So all the information we need is going to be at the back of the scale.
We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic.
And the first thing we want to know is what type of battery we need. So it looks like we're going to need a 3-volt lithium battery. CR2032. And here we are, 3-volt lithium battery, 2032. Picked it up at our local Walmart, but I'm sure you can get it at Amazon for a cheaper price. So let's open this up where our battery is located. I think there used to be a screw right over here, but I think it fell out. Just take your finger between the gap of the tab and pull it out, like so. And notice your circular 3-volt battery. And check out the number, CR2032. So I take my butter knife and pry it open like so. Okay, time to remove the battery from its child-proof wrapping. And you're not going to believe me, but I had a harder time removing this battery than actually installing it into the scale, as you will see. Learn from my mistake, just use a pair of scissors.
We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness.
Finally, okay, time to install the battery with the writing facing up and gently pressing the battery down. Then putting the cover back on like so. Now you can adjust the scale between pounds and kilograms. Just slide the button to the left for kilogram or slide the button to the right for pounds. Alright, time to test it out. Just stand on the scale and it'll automatically give us the number. So if you like my video and found it helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Uh-oh, looks like it's time to hit the gym again. Jonah, it's time to lose that winter weight.